In this video, we're going to go over the projector and its functions. Several things you got with the projector when it was installed were the pens and the remote. On the remote, I want to cover a couple things that might help explain it a little bit better. You obviously have the power button, which turns the projector on and off. The most important button for teachers, I believe, is the user button. The user button helps calibrate the projector when it seems to be off, like when the pens seem to be off. And so you can go ahead and hit the user button right here to allow you to auto-calibrate. And while it's auto-calibrating, we'll talk about something else also. The pens will also not be perfectly on if they aren't fully charged. And so as they slowly drain, they won't be as precise as they used to be. So I suggest every Friday over the weekend having them charged so that way they're ready to go for the rest of the week. And then they should be good to go and auto-aligned. The aspect button on the remote changes how the picture comes out on the projector. So if you notice when I click it, it pops up with the type of aspect ratio it is. So right now it's in native. I recommend that the projectors be in full aspect ratio. It fits the whiteboard the best. The other button on the remote is the freeze button. It's down in the bottom right. When you freeze your projector screen, you'll know it's frozen when it says freeze up here. It allows you to freeze the image and go and change stuff on the computer. For example, if you have if you want to change grades in Power School, but you're also wanting the students to do a math problem, freeze the math problem on the screen and then go ahead and change grades in the back on your computer without anybody seeing them, right? And then to unfreeze, just hit freeze again and it'll unfreeze. The last one is the menu button. When you click the menu button, it'll pull up the menu and you're able to change several of the options. For example, you're able to change the color, the brightness, how it's displayed, like the aspect ratio is also on here. But what's important to know is that each of these have been specifically changed for every classroom. So don't worry about changing them. You can if you want, but they already have been set for your classroom. If you have any other questions about your projector, go ahead and let us know in the IT department and we'll gladly help you out.